Welcome to Persian Treasures. Hey there, I'm Masi, and today I want to take you on a journey to one of the most beautiful spots in Iran, the Gilan Rural Heritage Museum. Come with me as we explore this incredible open-air museum in northern Iran. I started discussing the top 10 features of the Rural Heritage Museum in our shorts. So be sure to check out 10 reasons to visit the Rural Heritage Museum on our channel, Persian Treasures. We've already covered number 10, 9, and 8, and now let's keep the countdown going. Number 7. Unique architecture. Each house reflects the region it came from, with distinct differences. Number 6. Live handicraft and cooking. Watch women create handicrafts and prepare traditional food. Number 5. Handicraft market. Buy handmade souvenirs from local craftspeople. Number 4. Dress in traditional clothing. Take photos in beautiful local outfits. Number 3. Real houses from villages. These are actual village homes, transported here to preserve Gilan's heritage. Number 2. Step inside the homes, explore the interiors, and get a close-up view of rural life. Number 1. Full immersive experience. Experience Gilan's rural heritage through its food, homes, and culture.